In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can integrate ClickUp with GitHub. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, go to the left panel, click on More right here, and then click on Apps. This is where you'll see all the possible integrations that you can access in ClickUp. So, for this video, we're going to integrate ClickUp with GitHub. So click right here, then click on Connect. Now, a new tab will open where you will log in to your GitHub account. So, simply log in, choose your account, then we're going to input a verification code. Wait for it to verify, and then authorize ClickUp. Wait for a few seconds, and once you see this, it means you've successfully integrated ClickUp with GitHub. So, if you want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.